So I'm in the Lavalette Lounge at Malta Airport. Ordered a vegan sandwich, banana, and a antipasti cup. It's pretty cool in here, and the lighting is great too. Cool. So a lot of people have asked me what I pack in my travel bag. Actually, nobody has asked me that, but I thought I'd go through my travel pack and tell you what I pack in it. So here's my backpack. Got it from Lululemon. It's a very nifty backpack, actually. There's a lot of interesting little pockets. Let's kind of go through what I pack. I also have my carry-on, which is recording this right now, so I can't show you that, but I'll just show you my personal item. It's my toiletry bag. I put it right on top of everything just in case I need to get to my toothbrush, toothpaste, Q-tips. There's also a tourniquet in here, which I can show you. I don't know if I'd ever use a tourniquet anywhere, but here it is anyway. Comes with a windlass, ready to go. Let's just go through my toiletry bag now. I was gonna do it later, but Loofah. Of course, this is for my hair. I like to part my hair to the left. Deodorant. Make sure there's also antiperspirant with it, just because deodorant makes you smell good. Antiperspirant is what stops you from actually sweating. Toothbrush. I really like this toothbrush, actually. It's a micro-fine regular toothbrush made by Nimbus. Love this toothbrush. Got my retainer here for when I sleep at night so my teeth don't move. Trimmer. It's a little wet in here. Trim my beard so it looks cool. I have a bag here, and this contains all of the liquid. So I have conditioner. I don't really wash my hair very much, but shampoo, body wash, and something to smell good in case I smell bad. Toothpaste, floss, which can come in handy for a lot of things besides gum. Other pocket. I have like a small first aid kit. Pills, so I have Naproxen here, which is an anti-inflammatory. Then I have Tylenol for migraines, just in case you get a little bit of jet lag, get a headache, etc. Band-aids, and then of course, I should put some on now actually. Chapstick with SPF 30. What's chapstick without preventing you from getting burned? So that's pretty much my toiletry bag. What do I put at the top? Important stuff that I need to get to quickly. Sunscreen, just in case I'm burning. Sunglasses, my famous orange sunglasses. Antibacterial. This is so important. This is to block out sunlight. And I've used this probably 3 or 4 times on this trip already in the last 2 weeks. Really good for blocking out sunlight. And I also carry a little bit of Electrolyte drink mix. This is so I don't get dehydrated. Carry a couple of those. Have some change in there, a couple of euros. I have my big orange water bottle in there. It's from Yeti. It's a cooler. It's like a tumbler. I carry that with me basically everywhere. Here's actually a point of interest that I wanted to show you. This lumbar support. What you basically do is unroll it, breathe into it, and then you put this behind your back if you're driving, if you're on a long flight, just to give you some relief from your lumbar spine so it doesn't round. Carry this with me everywhere. I have a lot of junk in here, but one thing I wanted to show you, ear blockers. And they're like a sticky kind. So you basically roll them like putty and you push them into your ear. And this is to block out any unnecessary audio or background noise or crying babies on flight. So I highly recommend. Cool, we have a bunch of junk in here. I'll just pull this all out. Phone charger, other charger, blah, blah, blah. And then I have basically all my electronics stowed in here so that I can get to them. Cool. There's another close pocket here. This is like a quick release pocket. This is to get all of your important boarding passes, COVID vaccine card, carry an extra phone in here, extra passport. You never know when you're gonna need that. Extra credit card. And I also have extra debit card, license to carry a handgun, and a global entry card. Cool, so that's pretty much it in my travel bag. My laptop in here. I have a laptop stand. This is important for posture, to keep that neutral spine that I told you about. Charger. This is like a adventure pack for my GoPro and extra audio equipment. I have my GoPro here, so it's kind of just pull it out and you can start recording stuff right away. And then in the back here, I have my tablet. So another quick release pocket here. I have 2 tablets that I carry with me in case I need to do some work. Keys for my house when I get back home. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's what's in my personal item, as they call it on the aircraft. Then I also have a carry-on, and then I put my personal item on top of my carry-on and I move around with it. Hope you enjoyed that. I missed my mask, it's over there, but since I'm in the contained room, I didn't have to actually wear it here. But I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you to Malta Airport, especially the high altitude lounge, for letting me film in here. They wouldn't let me in here, but then I asked them if I could. I told them I'm a YouTuber, I make YouTube videos, and it's interesting how you have a little bit more leverage when you tell people that you make videos. I make a video for your airport in a cool location, and then maybe you get a little bit of promotion or marketing out of it too. Yeah, there are advantages to being a YouTuber, even if you're an amateur one with only 120 subscribers. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you on the next one. Shit, my flight leaves in like 35 minutes, so I better hurry up. I don't know why I did this right now.